Crinkles.
We will need
2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cocoa, and 1.5 salt. We will also need 4 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and a cup of icing sugar. In a bowl, we will mix the cocoa powder, the sugar, and the butter. We'll use an electric mixer to mix it all together. We will crack the egg. Make sure you don't mix the shell. Add a little bit of flavor, we will add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. On a separate bowl, we will mix the salt and the flour and the baking powder. We will mix the flour and all the ingredients from this bowl into the mixture.
go.
We can use an electric mixer to make them mix all together. With our hands. Now we're going to mix the secret ingredient, chocolate chips. All. Since that the dough is mixed, we will leave the dough in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. After putting it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours, we will now shake the ball and then add the sugar icing. We will put this in the oven. Make sure it is preheated 180 degrees. We will heat this for about 10 minutes. Alexa, timer in 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.